have a personal experience that I'm experiencing that I have the problem making a good choice. Recently, I heard about you mention about following your heart.
Yes.
And recently, I met somebody that has challenged me the way I love, meaning that I really love this person.
Yes.
And I want to go visit her in Canada.
All right, goodbye.
But it seems that I always keep bringing this idea.
Why are you still standing here?
Money.
Money?
Yeah, I feel
You think money's the only way to get to Canada?
Well, it seems that I bring that issue a lot, that if I go, I'm going to put myself more in debt.
I see. So you have a belief system that says you are not supported by your reality. And you have a belief or definition about abundance that says money is the only and most likely way that abundance can be represented in your society.
I guess so.
All right. Yeah. Money is perfectly a fine way, and you can attract more if you wish, but there are also other ways to attract abundance, because abundance really is just the ability to do what you need to do when you need to do it.
I heard the definition soon, and I was really moved by that definition.
All right.
Yeah.
In your imagination, just as an exercise, is there some other way you could imagine being able to get to Canada without necessarily having to have as much money as you think?
I believe
so. Just in your imagination.
Yes.
How? Describe what your imagination has come up with as another possible way to get to Canada without having so much money.
Well, the other possibility was that I had was that that the money will come regardless, because I've been...
That's fine, but I'm not asking you for the other quote-unquote practical things that might occur. I'm asking you to use your imagination and come up with a hypothetical idea, an imaginary way that might be possible to go to Canada. Do you want me to start the ball rolling?
Yes.
All right. Let me ask you this question first. Do you love this person?
Well, I recently met her, and she really challenges me the way I want to feel love.
All right. So is the answer yes?
Yes.
Thank you. By the way, just a hint, it might help you if you actually shorten your definitions.
Uh-huh.
All right? Instead of making things so complicated.
Okay.
All right? Now, if you... Oh, well, all right. Well, let me ask, do you have a preferred way of getting to Canada in terms of vehicular travel? Can you drive one of your automobiles there?
No.
Why?
My car probably won't make it.
Oh, all right.
Okay.
All right. Can you take a train?
Yes. Do they go all the way to Canada?
Would you prefer to take a plane?
Yes. I guess because I don't want to take time from work for too long, which I mean...
Am I asking you for any of this detail in your imaginary scenario?
No.
You see, here's my point, and you're really illustrating it very strongly.
Yeah.
I'm telling you to have an imaginary scenario, and yet, even in your imaginary scenario, you still don't want to take time off from work.
Yeah.
In your imaginary scenario, you don't have that consideration.
Yeah.
You follow me?
Yes, I'm following.
All right. So, imagining that you could just get up and go is a plane your preferred method of travel?
Yes.
All right. Where in Canada is this person?
Vancouver.
Vancouver. All right. So, you are saying you do not have the money to buy a plane ticket to Vancouver?
Yes.
All right. Are you saying you also don't have the time?
Yes.
All right. Would you rather find someone else closer to home that you do have time to see and don't need money to go travel to?
No.
No. All right. That's fine. Just making sure what's going on in your definition. Now then, how much time would you like to spend with her in Vancouver?
A week.
1 week. All right. In your imaginary scenario, is it possible for you to ask for a week off in your work?
Yes.
All right, so that's not a problem, yes?
Mm-hmm. No.
Oh, thank you. Now, can you go to the travel agency and say, this is the money I have? Can you help me get to Vancouver on this much money? Can you do that?
Yes.
Do you believe they will help you with the money you have? Hesitation means no.
No.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can you go to the airline and say, my true love is in Vancouver? I can't get there, I don't have the money. Can you please help me get there? Can you do that?
Yes.
Yes. Do you believe that might actually work? No. Do you know that there are people that exist on your planet who do those things and it does work?
Yes.
Why can't you be one of them? That's the question. I'm waiting.
I get it. I get it.
You did it?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
No expectation, but I am suggesting you give yourself free rein to be a little bit more imaginative in your actual physical approach, not just in your mind,
Yeah.
but in actually doing these silly, crazy things, because that's actually how life works. And by doing that, don't do it with expectation, because it's not that we're saying that those things might be the way you will get there, but just doing that will get you out of your own way, which is the only thing stopping you from going. It'll loosen you up, show you what's possible, and you might be surprised at the responses you will actually get. You follow me?
Yes.
Let yourself be a little bit crazy. Don't worry, in time, everyone else will join you. Are you willing to loosen up and be a little bit more experimental in the way you think things need to be done?
Most definitely.
All right, have fun with it. No expectation. Just play. And by all means, do let us know what happened.